We're going to edit your website. You've probably received a username and password. When you log in, you're going to get to the dashboard. It's going to look something like this. Be sure to read this bit of information. I'll go over what we're going to do today. But you want to be able to edit your website. So the first thing you're going to do is click on, this will be the name of your site rather than Affordable Web Design Demo, and click Visit Site. That will actually just take you to your website. This is my little demo page. But I want to change something. I want to change this text for this page, and I want to change this image. So how you do that is do not click on Edit Page ever. Just only click on Page Builder. The reason for that is we actually have a Page Builder installed on this to help you edit. And you can close this, and then now when you move your mouse over different areas, they're going to turn blue, and that will allow you to edit them. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll move over this and click on it. And we want to change this text. So I'm going to delete it. And you can even see the website changing in the background. You're going to change it to say Affordable Web Design Tests Demo Text. Okay, save. So that just changed that to that. Now I want to change this image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Same thing, it's got a text editor, you can see. It's got the text there in this image. I'm going to click on this image, I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to go ahead and go right back up here, and I'm going to add media. Now the way you add media is you can either upload files, select them from your computer, or drag them right on over here. Or for this particular one, I already have some media in my folder. So there it is, now it's in there. Click Save. Now I've just changed that image. So you think when you're done, the last thing you want to do, you can do other add content. There's all kinds of things you can add here. I can show you that at a later date, or you can play around with a little bit. But when you think you're done and you've made the changes, click on Done. Now here's important. You can click Discard Changes and Exit. If you think you made errors, or you think you messed something up, or you're not happy with what you did, just click Discard Changes and Exit, this button right here, and then it'll go back to exactly where you started and change nothing. If you like the changes, which in this case I do, I changed the text and the image, I'm going to click Publish Changes. So now that's going to take just a sec, and this little bar is going to go away and go back to here. Now, new image is there, and new text is there. Editing your pages is really that easy. If I wanted to change something on my contact page, I would just go to the menu, I would go to there, I would click Page Builder, and then I could go in and change anything I wanted there. Really, the changes are pretty much that easy. The other thing you kind of want to take a look at, I'm going to go ahead and click Page Builder for this page, wait for it to come up, close that. So if you notice it's blue, I'm going to click on that. Let's say I want to make this a little bigger. The other thing is sometimes this is compressed and there's not as much editing right here. Click the toggle toolbar and it gives you all these other options to underline and change the color, so on and so forth. So then you click Save. Then when you're done, click Done, Publish Changes. Give it just a sec to load. Now this this page has been completely changed. Last thing I want to show you is if you go back to your dashboard, you can go to the Pages menu. Just do not edit pages in there. Always go to Visit Site and then click Page Builder. Do not click Edit Page. The reason for that is Page Builder, everything's built in Page Builder. If you click Edit Page, it'll erase everything you did in Page Builder. But basically that's the most simplest form. There's lots of other things you can do. When you go into Page Builder, there's a little help menu. It can show you other features that you can do and add. But that'll get you started to play around, and then if you have more questions, we'll be happy to answer.